Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Joe Kimberlat. Today we are going to again discuss another scholarship which has been given by the Colgate Foundation, that is the Keep India Smiling Foundation, sponsored the scholarship for engineering courses for the year 2020-2021. Those students who has passed 12th standard in 2020 are eligible for this course. I am Dr. Sajid Hundekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, Pune College Arts, Commerce Science, CAM, Pune, Maharashtra, India. Last 10 years I am working as a scholarship in charge and especially international, and from my college 30 students, boys and girls, has got 100% scholarship for higher education to do their education in Turkey. And these are the weaker section students are there whose income is less than 5 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 1 lakh, or some of them are hardly have any income from the families. And these students has done their engineering, then their science, then the arts with BA, and they got the jobs in Turkey as well as in India. And one of the student has gone for doing his PhD in the US in electrical engineering. He has done B mechatronics. Now he has gone for PhD, that is the integrated 5 years program for doing the PhD program in US. So this is what I have achieved. And similarly, I have been visited US, Canada, Switzerland, Saudi, as well as the Turkey. My son is also in US. He has done MS in US. My daughter is also in US. She has also done BE IT from Cummins in Pune. And my employee is in Microsoft. My son is there in Intel Corporation. So this is what I have the background. And as a teacher, I feel that there is a very, especially in my college, there are the downtrodden students are there, and they have been struggling to get the funds for doing their higher education. So I thought this will be the best opportunity I learned during the lockdown to how to use the OBS software to prepare videos and upload on YouTube. So I am not a YouTuber, but I am a teacher, and I feel this scholarship should reach to a desired or a deserving candidates who can get this scholarship and complete his education with the fine colors. So let's start. First, very important one, what we have, the Keep India Smiling Foundation Scholarship. It has been given by the Procter and Gamble, India. And the last date for this scholarship is 28 February, midnight. Yes, on 28 February midnight, till that time, the scholarship is available on a portal. The website is there. On that, you have to pick out. If you have any problem with the website, and the end, I have given the website. Similarly, I have given in the description all the details which have been put over there in the slides. It will be there in the description also. You can contact the portals. There are a number of scholarship portals are there. You can go on the portals, make the registration over there, make an account, and from their account you can go on applying the various scholarships. So there are the number of scholarships have been web pages are there. You can go on these pages, find out. I'm also doing the same one and keeping my experience with them, and try to share my knowledge to with you so that you can get some benefit. Now, the overall the scholarship what is there, that is the motto of this particular Colgate Keep India Smile Foundation is there. They wanted to give support for the deserving and meritorious student from a downtrodden family who is lacking resources to pursue his dream or pursue his higher education. So they will give the financial support, not only the financial support, The Colgate also focus on his mentorship and career guides. So that is a very, very important one. So those who are eligible for this scholarship, they have to go for this scholarship. Now first we'll see what is the eligibility. The first one, he has to pass the 12th board examination in 2020, not in 2080 or 2090. He has to pass in 2020. He has scored a minimum 60% marks in 12th examination board. Next one, he has to enroll in any recognized undergraduate engineering college in India. And his family income, very, very important. His family income should be less than 5 lakhs. Similar in 11th standard also the same scholarship is there where the family income should be less than 5 lakhs. Now what the benefits here this engineering students get, he is going to get a rupees 30,000 per annum for 4 years. Now, for this scholarship, what are the documents are required? First one, passport size photograph, valid ID proof, that is either Aadhaar card, driving license, voter ID, PAN ID, any one of this uh, valid ID proof is required. Very important one, income proof is required, income certificate, BPL certificate, food security certificate, any other certificate which is issued by the competent authorities. In addition to this, 12th mark sheet is required. Then where he has taken the admission, the fee receipt, admission letter, college ID card or a bona fide certificate, any one of these. Entrance examination result sheet. Then if he is a disability is there, then he has to show the disability or he has to upload and all the original documents they have to show on or before the allotment of this scholarship. So the verification will be done by the competent authorities. If any fake document is there or new information is given, then his scholarship will be withdraws and whatever the amount which has been disbursed, it will be taken back. So be careful. Don't put any fake information in this particular scholarship when you have been applying. So the Colgate Palmolive, this is the India has been giving this scholarship, and the duration is 3rd April 2020 to February 28, 2021. So this is for period they are giving the scholarship. Now, who is applicable for this? The individual or candidates from economically weaker section or below poverty line. Now, whatever the documents which are required, it is prescribed statutory norms and it is open to those desired candidates. Very important. Those who are desired, they want a scholarship, they will apply. So for them, these are the statutory documents. The list will be given, terms and conditions have been applied. The specific category, that is whatever the category you have been filling now, entitlement has been provided here. The sole, whatever you are filling the information, you are sole responsible. The foundation is not going to have any responsibility because whatever you fill the data and if anything is happening in the data, whether your form is incomplete, then the within this last date they are not going to be withheld. They are not responsible for that. Now, the very important one, whatever the data is collected through the registration process will not use for commercial purpose. This has been already been given. The condition has been already been informed that this is the terms. The meeting the eligibility criteria and applying for the scholarship program does not mean that you got a scholarship as well as you are going to get a job after this scholarship once you get it for 4 years. Once you apply the scholarship, you feel that all the whatever the points, the documents and eligibility criteria are there, you have been eligible for that. You don't take a grantable that you are going to get the scholarship. So this scholarship is all India. So number of students will apply for this scholarship. So there will be a merit list will be put on and on the basis of the merit, you are going to get the scholarships. So those who are not getting the scholarship, don't be make any correspondence with them. They are not entitled to give any correspondence to the non-selected candidates. Those who are successful candidates are there, they can approach by the Colgate and their implementation partner. They are approached and they will be informed and they will be asking to show the documents and all that, that will be there. So they will approach. The relevant supporting documents will be required before, on, or after allocation of the applicable. So this is very important. When they are going to ask the once you are selected for the scholarship, they will verify your documents because 30,000 is there per year, 4 years means 1,20,000 they are distributing, and in addition they are giving you the support, mentorship is there. So that is a very good advantage is there. So they will going to monitor your progress. The scholarship program for specific category will be strictly for the duration. 4 years means 4 years, not more than that. Colgate hold the right to perform internal due diligence for verifying the document. So they will be the verifying. The Colgate reserve the right in sole discretion to the fullest extent permitted by the law, reject or disqualify any application or subject to any written directions of the from a regular authority to modify, suspend, terminate, or cancel scholarship. So, as for the authorities, they have been clear here to change the program based learning and appropriate. All conditions they have been made, and time as there will be any change will be there, they will be informed. Yes, that will be there. And if the false statement is given, you will be withdrawing the scholarship, and whatever the amount will be given, it will be taken back. So keep very important one, fill properly, give the right information, and the candidate hereby acknowledge that the Colgate does not commit or intend to employ any of the successful candidates. We remember here, they will not give you employment after completing the 4 years. No candidate or individual has to pay any registration or application fee applying for the online for this particular scholarship program. No purchase of Colgate product is mandatory for participating in the scholarship program. That has also been clear from the company. Colgate reserves the right to use photographs, profile of the scholarship applicant, beneficiary for the future application, use and disclosure and or the communication purpose with the Colgate stakeholders. So here huge amount will be given. That is the 3% amount has been distributed. The profit of the 3% of the Colgate will be distributed as a for the scholarship. So it is a huge amount. So stakeholder will be asked, and that particular details will be shared with the stakeholders. So that is also clear by the company. And similarly, they will use in the corporate brochures, website, social media, archives or mandatory publicity. They are going to use your photographs or your applicant details. The Colgate will not liable to held responsible for any lack or lapse of communication when you are filling the form due to any problem, internet, telecom, SMS, email, service provider. They will not be held responsible. Very important one, employees of the company, their affiliates and their family members are not eligible to participate in this scholarship program. That is very clear initially by this company itself. The decision of the company with regard to the scholarship program and the declaration of the winners is final and it is a binding. Once they will declare the winners, there is a binding, everyone will bind. No, there will be no dispute will be there. If any dispute is there, then that will be come under the court at Bombay jurisdictions. The candidate are required to upload the following documents. Again, here the list is given: passport size photograph, valid ID 2, that is either Aadhaar card, driving license, voter ID, or PAN card, income proof, that is income certificate, BPL certificate, food security, or any other certificate of income issued by the competent authority of Government of India. So that is the any one. Then 10 mark sheet, then the latest, that is the 12th mark sheet, then the board certificate, 10 board certificate, 12 board certificate, fee receipt where you are taking the admission in the engineering first year, admission letter, college ID card, bona fide certificate, any one of this. Then entrance examination result. Then, in case of any physical disability is there, the disability certificate has to apply. And all these documents we have to scan with the highest. density. Yes, that should be there. So you have to apply on the website https colon slash slash colgatecare dot in slash keep India smiling oblique get dash started html dot html. So this is the website where you have to apply. But in case if you have any problem to register or to apply for this scholarship, then you can go for, there are the various scholarship portals are there. You can go and register on that portal, and from there you can apply for the scholarships. I hope this is clear. Thanks to visiting my the scholarship, and if you are eligible, you can apply. But if you don't have the eligibility, then what will do now? In future, or maybe in your family or in your friend circle, anyone will be deserving candidates there, then can share with this particular scholarship with him so that he can get the scholarships. And maybe in future, maybe 1 year or maybe 2 year, you're in your family, somebody is coming for engineering, then this will be the taken as a base, and you can go for this particular scholarship. So you can have the awareness, create the awareness about the scholarship in your families, and have a nice day. Thank you.